what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing 10 Barbie mystery accessory bags. There's currently two different ones, or two different styles I guess. I don't know what the difference in them is. This first one does have a purse, some glasses, you can either get a purse, some glasses, a necklace, a shirt, candy, or something unicorn-ish. See, and then this one pretty much has the same thing, so I don't know what the difference is. See, I don't normally like getting the mystery bags or the little mystery accessory ones because I'm always scared that I'm gonna get the same ones. It's a hit or miss. And then what do you do once you, I mean, if you get multiple, let's say you get 4 of the same ones, what do you do? Like return them? Like it's Target or Walmart or Amazon gonna take them back? I mean, I don't know how that works. We got 5 of these and then we got 5 of these. So what I'm gonna do, I'll start unwrapping one of each at a time and then we'll see what we get. But before we start, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. I have so much stuff that I still need to unbox and review, so stay tuned for that and let's get this started. So our first one, right there, right here, is the regular pink Barbie one. Let's see. So this one is oh, this is actually 2 little accessories. So I wonder if the rest of them are gonna have 2 as well. So this one is a little fanny pack with little candy on it and some glasses. And they are pretty cute. Let me see. Can you see that in here? So I like the design on this one. I don't know if it's gonna be, if I'll be able to kind of show it, if it looks too bright. I hope not. But these little round glasses, and then has a little white fanny pack with candy inside that's with pink on one side and green on the other. So this first one was a good one. Let's go on to the next one. Now we're gonna do the one with the yellow wrapper. This is also some glasses, different glasses and a different little purse. This is the pineapple purse and it's actually really nice, pretty cute, and some blue glasses. So I'm not hating on these so far. So I know that right now this is summer's coming in, there's spring and all of that, so these fashions are going to be really good for that. And let me go ahead and I'll put that right here. I'll put these in order so you can kind of see them there. I'll put these over here, and then this purple little purse. It's a little pineapple purple purse, and that's actually not bad. It's pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so these are super cute. So this one is a purple necklace, and I think I have something similar for for my dolls on this one. But the good thing about this one is that the shoes. So here automatically you think they're white shoes, but if you turn them around, they have little gummy bears in the back, and I think that is so awesome. If I put them here, you'll see gummy bears. There's a pink one and there's a blue one. That's actually pretty cool. So 3 out of 3 still haven't gotten a repeat. So fingers crossed that we don't get one on these next ones. Oh, this is a full-on backpack. So it's a pink backpack with a strawberry on it, and no, it doesn't open, but I thought it did. But it's actually pretty nice. So I guess when it's like a big accessory, it doesn't give you a double, but I'm not mad about it. Unless it does, unless it did. But no, it didn't. So this one, it's a little backpack. See there? Has the 2 straps. The plastic is hard. You know, a little tip to kind of shape the plastic. Use a hairdryer, and the heat should help this unfold, and it'll kind of give you the shape that you want. So use the hairdryer in a hot level. Don't put it too close. You don't want to melt the plastic, but it'll help mold it however you want. So it'll help take this off, not just with this, but with other plastics, with other accessories that you have. So we'll do this one here, and we'll move on to the next one. This one is another little purse, and it's like a little clutch. It's a green clutch, and it has little candies design in the front, and then it comes with a popsicle. Obviously, we know that since we're heading into summer, that this is the style that they're gonna be sharing, that they're going to be coming out with, just kind of not only with the accessories but with clothing, because I bought several clothing recently for them, or accessory packs, and it's summer, so it's gonna be pretty cool to kind of combine everything. Plus, you can obviously combine it with stuff that you already have. So I'm gonna show you this really quick. See that? It's a little green little clutch with little candies on it, and then the little popsicle, which is so cool. Not bad at all so far. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're halfway there, and we're going on to our next one. So far, nothing has been the same. I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, you just never know. I don't know how many different accessories they actually have. Cool. So this one is a little watermelon green purse that says summer vibes, and you can't open it obviously, but it does have little watermelon and it has summer vibes on it. So this is our number 6. Going on to our next one here. Oh, okay. I'm not mad, but our first repeat. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, our 7th one was a repeat. It is the little clutch again and the popsicle. So, I mean, if that's the only one that we're gonna have as a repeat, I'm not too mad, because we've gotten pretty good accessories, different accessories before that. So let's fingers crossed that that's the only one that we have that is a repeat. Put that in here and there, and I'll let you guys see first. Let me see. Put them in here. There's 2 of them for sure. There's glasses. I can feel glasses. Let me see. And what is that? Oh, it's also a little clutch, but this one's a lot. It's a lemon. Huh. Let me see. Right there. And the glasses, pink heart glasses. So this one, there's a lemon with little white stripes on it. Where do we put it? Right there. Little white stripes on it. And then these are some pink heart glasses, they're pretty neat. So let me go ahead and put them over on this side. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do this. Put this one here. This one there. Here. Oh, wait. One of them came with this. I don't know which one came with this little necklace. I don't know which one it popped out of. I want to say... I don't know. Maybe it came with this one? I want to say maybe it came with this little purse. I don't know which one it popped out of, but we'll leave it here. I'll try to go back and see which bag it came out of. Maybe the other one has something too. And then, oh, it does. Okay. This little tiny thing. It's so small. So I'm assuming either it came out of this or this. So they all do have a second accessory. So I'm gonna pair this one with this one and then this one with this one, since they're both pink. I don't know exactly which one came from, but hopefully I'll figure it out once I go back to the videos and kind of review them. But cutting it close to our last two, and we'll do this one first, going in order. So this is some pom-pom shoes. I want to call it pom-pom shoes, and a necklace. So these are some heels. See there? These are actually pretty cute heels. And I know some of the Barbies now, this is the style that they're using. I know the extras have different type of shoes, and I want to say maybe one of them has something similar to this. I have all of those extra Barbies and that I need to review, so I'm going to do those one by one. So I think, I'm almost positive one of them has, I could be wrong. And then this purple necklace with little colors on it. Like them both. And then obviously last but not least, our ooh, okay. Okay. So these are, this is a little blouse with citrus on it. I want to say citrus because there's limes, there's oranges, and there's grapefruits, little slices on it. I'm not bad about that. And then it comes with a little cuff, and the little cuff is turquoise with little spikes on it. So this is actually pretty cute. So 9 out of 10 different mystery, or yeah, is it mystery? Maybe mystery bags were different. So the only one that was the same was the little popsicle and the green purse, which is pretty cool. For these, you can get these for $1 at Walmart. Walmart's the only one that I've seen it. I've seen them on Amazon too. I haven't come across them at any of my local Targets. Maybe you have, or maybe you can check there, but for sure my local Walmart has a lot, not all of them, because I went to 3 different ones, and then on the 4th one, which is the one closest to my house, I don't know why I went to that one last. That's the one that actually had the most of them, and I kind of wanted to get a little bit of each, or at least 1 or 2 from each store, but that was a bust and I didn't. So I actually thought that I was going to get more than just one of the bags that were the same. So for being this, or being that the case, that's I'm actually happy with the results. I'm actually happy with everything that I got. Everything's super cute. I love the colors, especially like I said, right now summer and spring is here, so it's gonna look really good for my Instagram photos, which, by the way, follow me on Instagram at this mini Ariq. Link somewhere here, I think right here. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know what? Before we leave, I'm gonna do a quick giveaway. I'm going to find 4 little accessory packs. Hopefully they still have some. I'm gonna go out and buy some, and I will send 4 of you picked at random some of these, or 1 accessory bag each, or maybe 2. So all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Comment a little pineapple, or no, comment a an emoji, whichever one you want. No, a watermelon. Comment a watermelon and I will put it in there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram at this.mini.ariq, where I upload videos and photos of my doll and toy photo shoots. So I will talk to you guys really soon. See you next time. Bye.